Dell and Supermicro, or SMCI. These are two, Pete, that Elon Musk talked about because he said, you know what? When I'm basically out here doing XAI, which is another company, like Elon doesn't have enough companies, Pete. XAI is going to be a supercomputer company run by Mr. Musk. He's saying Dell is assembling half the racks that are going into these supercomputer that XAI is building. Dell and Supermicro are both going to be a big part of what we're doing going forward. You remember what happened, Pete, when he said, I'm going to buy 100,000 of those $40,000 chips from NVIDIA? The stock just to the upside. Same thing going on here with Dell and Supermicro.
Yeah, it's incredible. And he talked about, building out, the buildings that they're going to do, John Musk is going to do. It's going to be in Buffalo. It's going to be in Austin. And they're doing all of this. It's not just about NVIDIA. We've got we've got the server side. We've got the memory side. We've got a lot of different pieces to the puzzle. Western Digital's a part of this. Micron's a part of this. Seagate's a part of this. Hewlett Packard's part of this whole thing. And then, of course, Dell and Supermicro. It isn't just one name. One name is definitely a monstrous catalyst. We all know that. But there are multiple other pieces to this puzzle. And I think by highlighting this, at least people should be taking a look at, all right, who does the servers? Where are the memory coming from? Where are we doing this? And that's why we are seeing a little bit more broad than just one single name. I mean, you can bring up Oracle. Everybody talks about AI and what their contribution is. And I think it's been absolutely spectacular to watch how this has gone. And Dell, a company that we look at more like an old school IBM, Dell's a part of this as well, John.
The stock got hit earlier this week. Well, on just a couple sentences from Elon Musk, the stock rocks higher by 5%.